Alright, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do my top 5 best Michael Jackson dance moves of all times. Let's go. Alright, number 1, the Michael Jackson kicks. Let me just show you a quick preview. It looks like this. Alright, let me break it down for you. So, what you want to do is start with a jump. Okay, let me show it from the side as well. What I'm doing here is I'm going to take my right leg behind, alright? And the reason why I want to do that is because I want to bring this one up into a kick. Okay? Now, as for the kick, let's just try and bring up, alright? You can stand near a wall and get some support so you don't fall, alright? And then from here, what you want to do is basically just flicking your leg out to, the right side and then the opposite side, the left side. Okay? So you want to do ha, ha. And you want to do that at the same time as you're moving your right leg up. Okay? So normally we would just move it up like this, but we want to combine it with this as well. Alright? So what you want to do is go whoop, whoop. Okay? Just try and practice that. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go whoop, whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoop, whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoop, whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoop, whoop. Alright? Now when you combine it with the jump, it's gonna look like this. I'm just gonna do it a bit faster. Whoop. Okay, and then you bring it down. Let me show it from the side as well, how it looks. I'm going ha, ha. Alright, let's start practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say jump, kick, kick, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, kick, kick, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, kick, kick, down. Alright, that was basically it. So when you do it fast, it's gonna look like this. And you can also, instead of jumping like this, you can also just jump on the spot. Alright? Alright, moving on to the next MJ move, which some people call the heel tap, heel stomp, heel groove, whatever you want to call it. It's this one I'm talking about. Alright, let me break it down for you. So there are different arms you can add. Those are optional, so I'm just going to explain those at the end. Let me break down what the legs are doing. Alright? So what you want to do is stand sort of like this, legs slightly apart here. You want to face your right-ish corner here, and you want to go a bit down the level. Alright? Bend your knees slightly. And then basically what you want to do is throw your hips like this. Boom, boom, boom. I'm sure from the side, I'm going up, down, and down, 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 down. Okay? Now, at the same time, what you want to do is also flick your heel out to the side, down, side, down, boom, boom, boom. Pretty easy, right? Now you want to combine those two things, so hip and your right leg here. Alright, so you want to go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright? You don't need to exaggerate this, alright? Just slightly. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let me show it from the side as well. Going down, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to go and boom, 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 boom. I'm sure it's in the front again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, 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 down. Now, if you're having trouble doing the hip thing, just start with the leg, alright? That's the one that's most visible. Okay, and then once you can do this, you can try just to slightly with the hip. Boom, boom, boom. Alright? Now, the arms, there are different ways to do the arms. You can go what I did in the intro here. So, my left is just going spirit fingers, alright? And then my hand, grab your crotch, your belt, whatever, in this area here. And then you want to go. That's one variant you can do. You can also go boom, boom, ah, ah. That's one I really like to do. So I'm going wah, wah, ah, wah, ah, wah, wah. You can also go like this, so keeping your arm down here, and then. Alright, moving on to the next move, which is the Michael Jackson shuffle, or some people also call it the James Brown shuffle. Alright, so basically it's this one. Hey, 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 hey. All right, let's break that down. So what you want to try and practice first is flicking your heels out to the side and back in. Okay? Actually, you know what? Let's try and do whoop, whoop. Okay? Let me show it from the side. So what I'm doing is I'm going heels out to the side, heels back in. Okay? So just try and practice this. Boom, 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 boom. Now notice I'm almost jumping, all right? So this would be a jump where I'm lifting the feet off the ground. But I'm doing that sort of, but I'm still keeping my toes on the ground, all right? So that would look like this. Jump, jump. So I'm using that force, the jump force, to move in and out, all right? That way you don't use as much energy. I'm sure on the side and jump. Okay, all right, once you know how to do that, the next part is a bit more tricky because now you need to do it without actually landing out here, all right? So basically what I mean is that still up in the air and then you want to bring it back in. All right, so I'm going boom, 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 boom. All right, so your heels are not touching the ground. Boom, boom, before they come back in. All right, try and practice that a few times. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Now, once you know how to do that, we're gonna take it to the next level, which is you wanna try and bring out one of the legs, all right? So, boom, boom. And notice how I'm leaning because I wanna show you that I'm actually putting all of my weight here, back, all of my weight here, boom, boom. Try and practice this. Boom, boom. Let me show you from the side. Boom, 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 boom. Now, once you know how to do that, the next step is to try and move back while you're doing this, all right? So let me show you. Here, I'm just doing it on the spot, but when I want to try it and bring it back, I want to, every time I'm out and I bring it back in, I want to go slightly back, all right, with the leg that's coming in. So, boom, back, boom, step back, boom, step back, boom, step back, boom, step back. So when I do it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. Boom, 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 boom. Notice how I'm doing these mini jumps. It's gonna make it a lot easier, all right? So let me show it to the front again. Boom, 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 boom. All right? Now, once you know how to do that, you can add arms. So basically, I'm just going like this, figure eight, whoop, 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 whoop. All right, so every time I'm kicking, I'm sort of whipping here down to this corner. So I'm going whoop, and then when I bring it back in, when I go up here, and then I whip it to the opposite side. When I kick back out, like this, whoop, up, down, up, kick, in, kick, in. Okay, so bringing it all together, doing it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so the most famous Michael Jackson move is definitely the moonwalk. Oh, so let me just show you the moonwalk in case you've been living under a rock, all right? So the moonwalk is this one. Hey, hey. All right, so there are different ways to teach the moonwalk. I don't like the traditional one where you just say, all right, step to the front, bring this one up, drag the other one leg, switch, drag the other one leg. I think this one for many people will be difficult. What I like to do instead is actually focusing on learning how to switch the weight from one leg to another, all right? Because I think that's the most important thing about the moonwalk, all right? So what I want you to do and practice is go all the way on this leg here and then slide the other one back. Doesn't matter how it looks, you just want to slide it back and then make sure that now all of the weight is on this leg. Just make sure you want to slide it back, switching weight from side to side, all right? In the beginning, you might have to lean in order to keep the balance, all right? When you switch the weight from side to side, and you just keep doing that, all right? And then what you need to do is try to improve this so that you won't have to lean, all right? So try to keep it more steady here, all right? And then basically what you're doing is just training on how to switch the weight from one leg to another. and that without doing too much movements, all right? So that's the beauty of the moonwalk, is that you're switching weights without the audience actually being able to see that. All right, so now I'm switching the leg from one leg to another, all right? And that's what makes the moonwalk smooth, all right? And in the beginning, you can just practice on the ball of your foot, all right? Whoop. And then eventually, when you become better, you can do it on the toes. In my opinion, you need the right type of shoes for that. Whoop. All right, whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, now the Michael Jackson heel toe. So you probably need to be able to do the happy feet before you can do the Michael Jackson shuffle, right? So this is the happy feet. The Michael Jackson heel toe is going bah, boom, boom, bah, boom, 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 bah, boom, 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 bah, boom, 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 bah, boom, boom, bah, bah, boom, boom, bah. All right, so see if you can find a chair, because that'll make it a lot easier to practice. All right, so what you want to do from the tip to top is that the right leg is gonna go boom. Now the left leg is gonna go tap. All right, so let me just repeat. I'm going boom. Okay, now what I want to do is go this one, the right one goes up on my heel, and then I want to move to this side, the left side. Okay, so let me just rewind here. Whoop, I went boom. And then I want to go again the opposite. So now this one is on my toes, this one is on my heel, and then I move to this side again. Okay, so let me just repeat that. That was a lot. So I'm going boom, and I want to go boom, boom. Okay, let's just try and practice that. So we're gonna go whoop, boom, boom. Okay, again, whoop, boom, boom. All right. So if you need to, just pause the video and practice a few times on your own. But if you're ready to move on, then let's move on. All right. So so far we've practiced boom, boom, boom. Now we want to bring it back. Go back, boom, and then here we want to repeat the process. So we want to go. This one goes to the side, and this one goes tap. Okay. Let me just rewind. So we were here. Right is on the toes, left is on my heel, and then I want to bring it back this way. Boom, and then I want to say step. Okay, and then you repeat the cycle. You go boom, 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 step, boom, 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 step. Okay, just try and practice super slow in the beginning, and then gradually speed up. Boom, boom, step, boom, 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 step, boom, 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 step. So when you do it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. All right, thank you guys so much, and until next time.